Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am working in my sketchbook for the sketchbook project. This is just the second page. I've done the cover and the first page and then this one. And with the first inside page, I decided I wanted to add a lot of color in my book, and the watercolor was just not working very well. So I went ahead and gessoed a bunch of the pages. And so I am working on a gessoed page, and right now I'm just trying to get a background in. The picture I am doing is actually a picture of me. The little girl in the end does not look anything like me because I can't really draw people. But it's a picture of me. I was with my family and we were at a lake and we were fishing. So this is I'm just doing a real loose, sketchy sort of background, just a suggestion of the type of place we were. How's that? And just with my liner brush, making some tall grasses. So my original idea for my sketchbook was going to be, kind of a self-portrait thing, but it doesn't end up being that. I do this one and then realize how long it's taken me to do each page, and I don't have enough time to finish the whole thing. I'm not thinking that while I'm doing this page. It's after I do this page. They actually had extended the deadline to, I think, the end of April. And like 2 days before it had to be postmarked, I still had the rest of the book to do. So I change it up completely from this. But I still have this footage, and thought I would share and let you see what this page looks like. This is the only record of this page because it's been covered up. So I'm going to play some music and let you watch my process, and I hope you enjoy. So I just wanted to let you know, if you're interested in doing the sketchbook project, you can totally sign up for the new one. I think it's project number 14. You do have to purchase the sketchbook, and if you want it digitized, you can purchase that as well. This one, well, what this one ends up to be, I did pay for it to be digitized, and last I heard, as of this voiceover, it was in process. So I haven't heard anything else. Once it is completed, I think they'll give me a catalog number or something, and I'll be able to share that with you so you can go look at it. Also, I will share the video of the completion of it so you can see it. So yeah, if you are interested, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification icon, and you'll see whenever I have videos uploaded. Hopefully that other one will be soon, uploaded soon. Anyways, I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.